下午5點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息：8號西北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，預料本港吹西北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺下午5點，超強颱風蘇拉集結喺香港之東南偏東約110公里，即係喺北緯21.9度、東經115.1度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速約10公里，移向珠江口一帶。蘇拉繼續以超強颱風強度逼近本港，本港離岸及高地吹烈風，部分高地達暴風程度。與蘇拉相關嘅狂風大驟雨正影響本港。按照現時預測路徑，蘇拉會喺今晚至明早最接近本港，喺香港天文台以南約50公里內掠過。本港將由吹偏北風逐漸轉為吹東至東南風。原來受遮蔽嘅地方可能會變得當風，市民需要保持高度警覺。天文台會考慮喺下晝6點至8點之間發出9號烈風或暴風風力增強信號。受風暴潮影響，沿岸低窪地區嘅水位今晚起將急速上升，可能出現嚴重水浸。最高水位有機會與2018年山竹襲港時相若。晚上約9點開始，本港東部沿海地區水位會上升，當中吐露港嘅最高水位預計於午夜時分升至海圖基準面以上約5米或更高，比正常潮位增加約3米或以上，最高水位可能達歷史紀錄。威脅最大嘅地區包括城門河、大埔、沙頭角、西貢等。本港各沿岸地區嘅水位亦會於明日早上約6點開始顯著上升。維多利亞港嘅最高水位將升至海圖基準面以上約3米多，沿岸低窪地區如鯉魚門比正常潮位增加約1.5米，而大澳水位則會升至海圖基準面以上約3.5米，比正常潮位增加接近2米。海面有巨浪及湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊，切勿進行水上活動。有關最新嘅天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分同埋踏正嘅風暴消息。
5 o'clock in the afternoon. Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 northwest gale or storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the northwest quarter. At 5 p.m., Super Typhoon Xiaola was centered about 110 km east-southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 21.9 degrees north, 115.1 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 10 km per hour towards the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Xiaola continues to edge closer to Hong Kong as a super typhoon. Gale force winds are prevailing over offshore areas and on high ground. Winds over parts of high ground reach storm force. Squally heavy showers associated with Xiaola are affecting the territory. According to the present forecast track, Xiaola will be closest to Hong Kong tonight to tomorrow morning, skirting within about 50 kilometers south of the Hong Kong Observatory. Northerly winds will change gradually to east to southeasterlies locally. Areas which were previously sheltered may become exposed. Members of the public should stay on high alert. The observatory will consider issuing increasing gale or storm signal number 9 between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. tonight. Under the influence of storm surge, the water level in low-lying coastal areas will rise rapidly tonight. There may be serious flooding. The maximum sea level may be similar to that when Mangkhut hit Hong Kong in 2018. The water level in the eastern coastal waters of the territory will increase from around 9 p.m. tonight, among which, the water level at Tolo Harbour will reach a high water level of 5 meters or higher, above chart datum around midnight, which is about 3 meters or above higher than the normal tide level. The maximum water level may reach a historical record. The worst hit areas include Shingmun River, Tai Po, Sha Tau Kok, Sai Kung, etc. The water levels over other coastal areas of Hong Kong will also start to rise significantly from around 6 a.m. tomorrow. The maximum water level at Victoria Harbour will be some 3 meters above chart datum. The water level in low-lying coastal areas such as Lei Mun will be around 1.5 meters higher than the normal tide level. The water level at Tai O will reach around 3.5 meters above chart datum, which is nearly 2 meters above the normal tide level. Seas will be high with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Waglan Island, Tate's Cairn and Chung Show were 89, 85, and 65 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 109, 103, and 97 km per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours at 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一次風暴消息報導完畢。